Want to make a cake but not have an egg? What do? An eggless cake!
Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make an eggless cake like we said. So I like to call our mini chef, Aryan. Ta-da!
Hello everyone.
Aryan will tell you what we need for our cake.
Over here I have warm milk, lemon juice, vegetable ghee, vanilla essence, condensed milk, baking soda, powdered sugar, baking powder and all-purpose flour and little bit salt. We are going to mix the lemon juice with the warm milk.
So the purpose of this is to thicken the milk.
Now we are going to add the vegetable ghee with the powdered sugar.
While the ghee and the powdered sugar are mixing, we will sift the flour alongside and the baking powder and the baking soda too. Add the salt. These are all the dry ingredients.
After the ghee and the powdered sugar are well mixed, add the condensed milk. We have to mix these ingredients well.
Now you add all these dry ingredients to the mixture. So slowly it will start to be smooth. You do this so that the cake would not stick. Then after that, use some flour and then you shake so it reaches everywhere.
Now let's go back to our pattern and check how our pattern is.
Yeah. Last but not least, our final touch, vanilla essence. So now you set this for 10 minutes.
Hey bro,
Yo man, what? Is the cake ready?
you have to wait for 45 minutes.
Yeah, bro. Chill.
Hey, I'm watching you. I'm watching you too. Watch your back.
Yes. Now 10 minutes are over. We are going to bake the cake.
So what we need is we need this tray to place it on top of the cooker and then you place the pan on top of the tray. The purpose of this is to distribute the heat evenly. So now you can either use the oven too instead of the cooker, so it's pretty much your choice.
Now we are going to heat the cooker in low flame for 35 to 40 minutes. So now our cake is ready.
Now let's cut it and see
How it tastes.
Come on, Julia.
Now let's cut our cake and see how it comes. There we go.